very powerful laptop or computer to do it. So it's done. I'll just click open. I don't need it. Continue. So see, I'm using Facebook app as a Facebook phone app on my phone. Also, if you have any game or some other. Yeah, hello guys, welcome back once again to my channel. If you are new here, can you hit the subscribe button? If you're old here, thank you for sticking around. Okay, so today I'm going to show you something interesting. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to install mobile apps on your PC. So if you want to install different kind of mobile apps on your PC, then just follow me. You need to download some application. It's called BlueStacks. So open your browser and search for BlueStacks. BlueStacks download. Basically, BlueStacks acts as a virtual environment to install your Android applications. Save it. So download BlueStacks. So BlueStacks is almost done. It's done here. So double click it. Yeah. So it's very light application, but it's very powerful. So now this is how you are going to install it. Install it here. So you can see it's as an a virtual environment for Android system. Agree, and it will download all the necessary stuff. Then it's very fast. So basically, that's what you are doing. So let's see what happens. So after downloading, it's checking your PC. Pause your PC antivirus if it's interfere your installation. So still extracting some files. So you can see the installation is done now. It's starting the BlueStacks. Wow, so lovely. So this is just a platform for you to install any Android apps you want. If you want to use some apps, mobile apps on your PC, you just come here, you search for what's apps here. Let me see if I could search for WhatsApp here. Okay, you can see WhatsApp, TikTok, CapCut. So you can just install TikTok straight up. Install from Google Play Store. So you need to sign in with your Google account. You get me? Sign in with your Google account. So basically this is it. So if you are able to sign in, then you are able to install all your apps, any apps from the App Store, Play Store for your PC. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please, if you are watching this end, kindly hit the subscribe button and like if you enjoy this content. So I'll try and log in with this email. A password. This is my password. Agree. So basically, it's like setting up an Android, Android phone. Same process. So it's so. Don't turn it on. I don't need to turn any backups on. Not now. Go service. Assets. Boom. So there's it. So it's trying to say blah blah. I cannot do this. Then AliExpress. TikTok Studio, Facebook. Can install Facebook. As you can see, it's installing. Sorry. So if you try to install, you say continue, you try to get some prompts. I'll just skip this. and it should download. Not now. Verified by Play Protect. So it's downloading Facebook and any mobile application you want to install on your laptop. It's very simple. It's just that you need a very powerful laptop or computer to do it. So it's done. I'll just click open. I don't need it. Continue. So see, I'm using Facebook app as a Facebook phone app on my phone. Also, if you have any game or some other apps to download, you can use it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit the subscribe button if you enjoyed my video, and thanks for watching. Bye bye. Share, kindly share. Sharing is caring.